Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? This is Mark here, and today I've got an unboxing of something a little different that is going to give you an idea what's coming in the future. So right here I've got a little piece, and you might be able to read that through the plastic there, and it says Tesla. So what we got is a carbon fiber insert or a decal that goes over the steering wheel. And what this is a steering wheel cover, and it's made out of carbon fiber there. For the Tesla Model 3, and I paid $11.99 for it. Right now this is just going to be an unboxing to show you what it is, and I'll pull it out in the quality of it. This was on Amazon for that $11.99, shipped Prime. It was shipped next day, and price is okay for it, for having it like convenience of getting it off Amazon like that. And if you were to get it from another website, possibly pay, I don't know, $7 plus $3 shipping. So it all turns out to be the same amount essentially. What's inside here is a screen protector cleaning cloth. So they just had some generic kind of cleaning cloth there. You're going to wipe down the steering wheel section for, and an instruction manual. Pretty much basic, 2-year warranty they say with it. Any problems or concerns, contact us before leaving a review. That's pretty good. On the back side of it that you're going to notice here is the typical 3M decal, and the cuts are very uniform. This is from China, as you guys can see from the initial box right there, and the Amazon identifier. This is made in China. So we're going to pull this out and just get an idea of how well this looks. I'm going to put it under the LED light so you guys can see it here. Oh, it's in there kind of hard. Maybe I guess we'll have to tear this and actually pull it out. So on that, as you guys can see, I'm going to turn it towards that LED light. Has a good shine to it, and you can see that carbon fiber goes through there. A legit carbon fiber, just typical of what you would get for like a decal. Pretty flexible, and this again is going to set right on the steering wheel there, so that just has some accents to it. In the description or in the actual ad, it does appear to be white on there, so when you do get it, just to give you a heads up, it is that silverish color right there. But if you look at the ad, I'll pull the Amazon ad over to you. You can see that here. It does appear to be a white, so that's the only thing that I was thinking of on that. I don't believe it shows any indication of what kind of color it is. Carbon fiber, yep, sticker for Tesla. So I don't know if there is a gray one. Most of the reviews say perfect fit, adds a nice touch of elegance. Very nice applique, however that word is spelled there, and quick and easy install, sporty, nice look. So as I was mentioning there, you can get all kinds of different covers for your Tesla there, and those include the left and right side steering column where your ball is. You can get some center inserts, and I'll link all those in descriptions. The ones that I've got in here. And the next video, or the one that I'm going to be doing next, is the actual cup holder inserts. I'll show you that here in just a few minutes. But again, there it is right there for $11.99, shipped to you right there. Again, price a little bit high comparatively to what this is, but it is a niche product here, and I think it looks pretty good. That carbon fiber swirls through there in the light like that, so you guys can see it going through. And yeah, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you want one of these here, grab one from the link in the description below. And also, our Tesla is coming next week, so if you want to get one yourself and want to explore that, check my link out for the referral in the description below. You can get 1,000 or 5,000 miles, depending on when you're watching this video, of free supercharging by doing that. We ordered an all black one, and we're going to accent it with some white coloring in there like that. So there you go, guys. Thanks again. I will see you again soon. This is Mark.